Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you how to connect the sports wireless Bluetooth earphones or headphones to a Samsung phone that's using Android 10. So first things first, with these you want to make sure they are fully charged, and to start it off, make sure they're off. And the reason is because we're going to long press that middle button, which is the on and off button. We'll hold it down until the lights start to go blue and red like this, which means you have enabled pairing mode, and just keep it like that for the time being. And then next up, on your Samsung phone, you can use the drop down menu. So you'll use that drop down menu here, long press the Bluetooth icon, and when you do this, it will take you straight to the Bluetooth settings. So just go ahead and turn it on from here. And as you do that, like other Samsung phones, it will start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. So in the meantime, your earphones are in pairing mode. You'll see Bluetooth music. That's the name of the earphones. Yours might be a little different. And then you'll get that request, okay. And then it will show you that it's connected. Once it's connected, it'll tell you that it's connected for call and audio. You'll see that the light will blink blue occasionally. And that's pretty much it for the guide. And as always, if this guide was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.